it's your girl crew, it's ibyl, and today I'm giving you a financial journey update. Drum roll, please. In 2018, with starting my financial journey end of February, really kickstarted March all the way to December 2018, I was able to pay off over $7,000. I hope you are raising the roof for me. Does anyone still say that? Raise the roof? am I sharing my age? Raise the roof? Anyway, hopefully you're giving me like some cheers behind the camera, some thumbs up and all of that, because I need it. I'm so excited I was able to pay off $7,000 plus of debt. Let me say that again. I was able to pay off $7,000 plus in debt. I am so excited. So when I think back to the beginning of the year, January, I had no idea I was going to be starting a financial peace journey. I do know in 2017 there was times where I would try to pick back up the budget, because as I shared in previous videos, I was familiar with Dave Ramsey and the zero-based budget, but I had gotten out of the habit of being consistent with it. And with me, sometimes there's no accountability. I sometimes fall off and it takes me a while to get back to it. So January came and went. I started the year with debt. And then February came, and a good friend of mine, she sent me a simple text message. And that simple text message started the funnel that led to me paying off over $7,000 in debt. I really believe that if she hadn't sent that text message and I responded to it, even though I didn't respond immediately, I just kind of looked at the text message like, that's not going to work, and I ignored it. But then the thought came back to me again, I do need this. So I replied to the text, and here I am today. I really believe if I had not joined the class, had not met the ladies, and been held accountable and encouraged by them, and also went through the different principles that Dave Ramsey talks about, I think I would still be on $7,000, that $7,000 that I paid off. I also think that I would probably be more in debt, because I would have continued using my credit cards the way that I was using them. Even though I wasn't like splurging, I was still using them. I want to sometimes hoard my money I make and like, oh, I'll just charge it. And then when I charge, I forget about it and I go and spend the money I made, not thinking about the fact that, oh, I've just charged that I owe them now. But that's my old way of thinking. So I'm so glad my friend thought to reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to join the class. And I'm glad that I was able to join, because I was able to pay off over $7,000 in debt. Yes. So if you're out there on a financial journey and you're like, I have so much debt, just know if you stick to a plan, you will be able to chip away and chip away and chip away at that debt until you get to a point where you're saying, I paid this much off, and you don't have any more to pay. So I've been inspired by several YouTubers here on, I've been inspired by several YouTubers who I followed their financial peace journey. The Wyndhams, if you haven't checked out their channel, check out the Wyndhams. You're winning if you're with the Wyndhams. I love their vlogs and I love their financial journey videos. They have really inspired me. So check them out as well. And if you have any financial journey vlogs that you follow, post them in the comments below. I'd love to connect with them and follow their journey. If you're on a financial journey, let me know how long have you been on your journey. Also let me know how much debt you've paid off so far. Whatever you want to let me know about your financial journey. I do want to say within those, within that amount of $7,000 being paid, that included credit cards, that included consumer debt, credit lines, and paying towards my loan, but I haven't paid it off yet, but paying towards my loans. I still have the bulk of my loans left, and excuse me, I have the bulk of my loans left, and I have one consumer credit card that I'm chipping away at. I'm gonna chip and chip and chip until I get a chance to say timber, because the tree of that credit card debt would have fallen. So I'm looking forward to that. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you get excited with me. comment below. Let me know where you are in your journey, any questions you have. I'm so excited to be able to share my experiences, and I want to be able to have this catalog of videos that I can look back at and just get inspired and motivated all over again. My story is my story, but hopefully it's inspiring to you. Everyone has their own story, their own journey, with twists and turns. And there's going to be more twists and turns I'm going to show with you all as I continue to roll out these videos. Peace.